for the past 2 years, I've been talking to you guys about what's coming on here at the Packing District. The townhouses, the food hall, the new YMCA, and everything that's kind of revitalizing this industrial area. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of the new townhouses. Some of them are furnished and ready to go, as well as show you some of the other things coming to the Packing District. Stay tuned. So 1992, the city of Orlando annexed this area back into the city, and it is now 32804. For years, you would have thought 32804 was College Park, and it is. It's right down the road. We're currently at Princeton and just east of John Young Parkway at the Brix by Toll Brothers. There's 135 townhouses with 4 different models ranging in the high fives all the way into the 800,000s. So let me show you 2 of the furnished models. You get a feel of what you'd get here at the Brix. All right, so this is the Nova Elite 2. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 2-car garage and a rooftop deck with views of downtown Orlando. Let's take a spin through and see what you think. All right, so downstairs you've got some living space, and they've actually quartered off for an additional bedroom or office, depending on how you want it. But the main living space is on the 2nd level, and so if you're not into the stairs, they don't currently have elevator options for people, but the whole townhome life in the downtown Orlando area is pretty cool and unique. We haven't seen a new product like this in years, and one of the things I love about the Nova Elite is that it has this massive floor plan, almost 2,100 square feet, with this great size living space. You've got room here on the island for at least 4 people, gas on site, which is great for new construction. So many areas around here are still electric. You've got a great size pantry and really open living space that shows you sort of the grounds no matter where you're at in the area. All right, so coming up to the 3rd floor, you've got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the laundry. Right off to our right is the primary suite with a really generous size walk-in closet, dual sinks, Euro shower, and just really well appointed. One of the things I love about Toll Brothers is that their standards are just a lot higher than so many other builders in Orlando. All right, so one of the coolest parts about this entire area and this model is that it has a rooftop deck with views of the city. And it's a really generous sized rooftop deck as well, already pre-plumbed for your outdoor kitchen. And then back over there, they've got it tucked away for your utilities, your AC unit, your tankless water heater, and a lot of the amenities that you'd want for new construction, especially at this price point. All right, so this is the Samson Modern 2, and on the main level here, you've got sort of the living space. They've turned it into an office with a bath over here. It's the smallest unit at 1,400 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and only 1-car garage. And so depending on what you're looking for from storage and living space, you've got sort of the lower size, which we're gonna show you right now, all the way up to the last one, which is their largest spot. But let's take a look upstairs. All right, so this one also has the 2nd floor living and kitchen, and it really, even though it's only 1,440 square feet, feels like it's a really well-appointed space. You have still place for people to eat in both areas, gas range, and really they took the cabinets all the way to the top. The Toll Brothers Design Center is probably one of the nicest we have in Orlando in regards to a production builder. Them and I would say Ashton Woods have 2 of the best, my favorites. But let's go upstairs where the bedrooms are. All right, so upstairs here you have the 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, laundry room, and really all of the space. Off to our left is the primary suite. You've got 2 closets and a really well-appointed bathroom. Check it out. The Brix and the YMCA are really just the start of what's coming to the Orlando Packing District. You're going to have a walking path that goes all the way down to Edgewater and into College Park, and along the way you'll have office and a hotel and an amphitheater and a food hall. Just a lot of cool stuff that's coming to make this entire area, this new district, that'll be a lot of fun to be a part of. HOA fees for the Brix, by the way, are roughly $230 a month all the way up to $280. It does not include sort of the pool and all the other kind of amenities right around us, but it's walking distance to the Y, and that's something I want to show you next. The local YMCA offers a ton of different amenities for local people living at the Brix or just locally in the Packing District. They have a pool, they've got a boutique workout facility, they've got spin classes, and just everything else you'd want in a new gym. Prices start at $29 a month for an individual, all the way up to $160 for a family of 4. I think it's a really great opportunity if you live locally. So the Juice Stand, it's an 1,800 square foot place that's gonna have Foxtail, Kelly's Ice Cream, and the Ravenous Pig. It's a replica of what was here decades ago, an actual juice stand in the area. Then if you look right down here, you can see the Cannery. That's one of the 3,500 unit apartment buildings that are coming to the area. And so as you drive up and down Princeton here, you can see so much development that's coming along that's gonna make this entire area a lot of fun. There's something about making old new again, and something that I love to see in Orlando is kind of all of the changes that are coming, making the old industrial spaces, the old commercial spaces thrive as somewhere where all of us can live and enjoy. Right behind me is a Publix, and there's over $700 million of new development right in this 202-acre area. And so if you want to take advantage of it, living in College Park or the Packing District, or really anywhere in Central Florida, my team and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Email us, info@pozekgroup.com. We'll see you guys on the next video.